Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you'll never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Trendy Gadgets. Number 1. AI lacks emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is one distinguishing factor that makes humans forever relevant in the workplace. The importance of emotional intelligence in the workspace cannot be overemphasized, especially when dealing with clients. As social animals, one basic undeniable need of humans is the need for emotional connection with others. AI tries to mimic human intelligence, but emotional intelligence is not as easy to replicate as intellectual intelligence. Why? Because it requires empathy and a deep understanding of the human experience, especially pain and suffering, and AI simply doesn't feel pain. Smart business owners and company executives understand the importance of appealing to the emotions of staff and clients. A machine can't achieve such levels of human connection, while as a human, there are ways to increase your emotional intelligence. Number 2. AI can only work with inputted data. AI can only function based on the data it receives. Anything more than that would take on more that it can handle, and machines are not built that way. So when the data inputted into the machine does not include a new area of work, or its algorithm does not include unforeseen circumstances, the machine becomes useless. These situations are common in the tech and manufacturing industries, and AI builders constantly try to find temporary workarounds. The idea that AI tools will adapt to any situation is one of several common myths around artificial intelligence. Therefore, if you fear that AI may infiltrate all industries and eliminate the demand for your professional skills, you can rest assured that won't happen. Human reasoning and the human brain's power to analyze, create, improvise, maneuver, and gather information cannot easily be replicated by AI. Number 3. AI's creative process is limited to the data it receives. When brainstorming creative concepts and ways of doing work, AI lacks the human ability because, as already established, AI can only work with the data it receives. Hence, it cannot think of new ways, styles, or patterns of doing work and is restricted to the given templates. Employers and employees know how important creativity is in the workspace. Creativity offers the pleasant sensation of something new and different instead of the boring, repetitive actions in which AI is designed to function. Creativity is the bedrock of innovation. Related to creative thinking is the ability to think outside the box. Machines are designed to think within the box. That means AI tools can only function within the dictates of their given data. On the other hand, humans can think outside the box, sourcing information from various means and generating solutions to complex problems with little or no available data. Since AI does not possess the ability to think out of the box and generate creative ideas for innovation, AI cannot take over humans in the workspace. Number 4. AI does not have soft skills. Soft skills are a must-have for every worker in the workspace. They include teamwork, attention to detail, critical and creative thinking, effective communication, and interpersonal skills, to mention but a few. These soft skills are in demand in every industry, and you must develop them to succeed professionally. Humans are taught and required to possess these skills. Developing them is valuable for everyone regardless of position. Company executives need them to thrive, as do a team of field workers in any industry. Hence, these soft skills give you the upper hand in the workspace over AI. However, soft skills are alien to machines with artificial intelligence. AI cannot develop these soft skills critical to workplace development and growth. Developing these skills require a higher level of reasoning and emotional intelligence. Number 5. Humans make AI work. There would be no artificial intelligence without human intelligence. The term artificial intelligence means humans design it. Humans write the lines of code with which AI is developed. The data AI machines operate with are inputted by humans, and it is humans that use these machines. As AI application continues to grow, so will the services of humans. Someone has to design the machines AI processes, create these machines, operate, and maintain them. Only humans can do this. Standing on these facts, you can boldly dismiss any speculations of AI overriding humans in the workspace. Number 6. AI is meant to complement human ability and intelligence, not compete with it. Artificial intelligence applications are indeed gaining ground in the workplace, and they will replace many jobs people perform today. However, the jobs it takes are often limited to repetitive tasks requiring less intense reasoning. Additionally, evolving workplace demands will create new roles for humans as the world moves towards a more integrated tech landscape. A report by the World Economic Forum shows that while machines with AI will replace about 85 million jobs in 2025, about 97 million jobs will be made available in the same year thanks to AI. So the big question is, how can humans work with AI instead of being replaced by it? That should be our focus, because in this present age, it will be difficult if not impossible to live without AI, and without humans, there would be no artificial intelligence. Forward-thinking organizations are already developing ways to incorporate human capabilities in AI to attain higher levels of productivity and innovation. Number 7. AI needs to be fact-checked. A big problem with AI chatbots like ChatGPT is that they are often inaccurate and require fact-checking by human moderators. Granted, AI is capable of learning really quickly, but it lacks common sense and is simply incapable of reasoning and contesting facts to the degree that humans can. It's why you should probably avoid asking AI chatbots certain things. The takeaway here is that since artificial intelligence is not able to police itself and needs external moderation, fact-checking will likely become a major career in the future, so you might want to brush up on your research skills in the meantime. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.